Hey everybody, Darren here from Texas Small Town Rides. I use a pretty simple program and a pretty simple method to find the local twisty roads in my area, and then I import them into Google Maps, take my bike out and I go ride. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you.
All right, here we go. We're going to need three things. We're going to need Google Earth Pro, we're going to need Google Maps, and we're going to need a Google tab. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go get Google Earth Pro, and we're going to do that through your search engine. All right, so search Google Earth Pro download. Make sure that you get Earth versions. You might have a different result table, so make sure you scroll up and down, find Google Earth versions. Okay, once you get here, you're going to have multiple selections. You're going to have just Apple Store, Android Auto. You want Google Earth Pro desktop. Download this. Pause the video now. Download Google Earth Pro on your desktop, install it, and then restart the video from this location and move forward. Here we go. So next we're going to go from here. We're going to go get us those twisties. Okay. And so we're going to pull up our search engine, okay? And we're going to, first off, let's make sure that Google Earth Pro is properly installed. Here it is, my Google Earth tab. So from here on out, we're going to use Google Earth Pro tab, and we're going to use a search engine tab, right? So let's go back to what we need to import. So let's look up curvy roads near me, okay? You see I've done it a couple of times. Now there's Twisty Road Finder, used that, it's very good. Texas Best Drives to test your ability, done that one. Motorcycle rides near me, done that. North Tallis Twisties, I've done that. But I wanted to make my own ride. I wanted to find my own roads. I wanted to see if I could do it better. I can't, but I wanted to see if I could. So here we go, curvature. roadcurvature.com. I found this to be extremely helpful. So let's go ahead and click on that, and let's find roadcurvature.com. And it's going to come up and it's going to look like this. It's a nice website. We're looking for the KML files. KML files are simply what we're going to use to import to Google Earth, and we're going to use them as the overlay for what we're doing. Okay? So we're going to click on KML files. We're going to find our region in the world. I live in North America, so let's go ahead and click on that. All right. Once I get there, I see I'm going to choose the United States. I'm going to scroll down to Texas. I'm going to choose Texas. Okay, once they're there, you're going to see these three files. Make sure you download all three. Google Earth can sometimes run very slow. It can bog your computer down. I tried to skimp and I did not download all three, and I didn't get the proper telemetry and data that I needed. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure you put these in a file and a location that you know where it is. Okay, whether that's your downloads file. I personally made my own file called KML Roads, and I downloaded it to there. You can go to your desktop, however you want to do it, but make sure you know where these files are. And when you download them, you're going to go get them through Google Earth. There are the three files. Again, make sure you download all three. Don't try to be skimpy. From here, we're going to go to Google Earth Pro again. We're going to go on the file location. We're going to open up where you put your files. Mine again is KML Roads. Yours might be just simply in downloads. From here, you find the three that you need: 300, 1000, 1000 curves. Then you can shift click on all three, and you can open those up. I don't, because I already have them open. Okay, and then you're going to see it's going to self-populate under the temporary places, and I'm going to show you that. There it goes, self-populates.
Here's what I found on the web.
Once it's done self-populating, we're going to go ahead and scroll out a little bit so you can see how the roads work. You can see what it looks like. It's just a jumble of green and yellow and all of that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and scroll in and take a look. Most of the roads you're going to find are just simply circles and curves and cul-de-sacs and things like that. You can pretty much ignore that. You're going to have to do your own deep dives. You see the green road that I'm showing here. This is Rock Hill Road. Now I'm going to want to create a ride from Rock Hill Road to another location on my map. So let's go ahead from here and open Google Maps. It's the next tab that we're going to use. Okay, make sure you get it in there. Open up Google Maps. I like satellite view, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on the satellite view. Let's go ahead and shut this down here first. Hit that satellite view. Scroll out a little bit. I want to make sure that this particular map is at the same scale as my Google Earth map. They use the exact same photography. They use the exact same terrain overlays. So it's pretty easy to find where you are. Okay. Now, once that you've loaded all of these three in Google Earth, you're going to notice that it had zoomed you in. And you're going to notice that it's going to be, whether it's Maryland or Virginia or California, you're going to be hopefully near your location. You're going to have to find your own home here. You're going to have to do some of your own searching to find out where you live. Okay, whether it's Sacramento or, for me, Aubrey or whatever. Now I'm going to go back to the Google tab because I want to make sure that my maps line up and look similar. Okay.
This came back from Google.
Once we've done that, we're going to now look for roads that we want to drive. We want to go get on. Now, I want to go here. I want to find a way to get up here to 455. Now, this green road looks pretty nice. Let's figure out what the name of the road is. So we're going to scroll in, and it's Rock Hill Road. Make sure you're at an elevation where you can read the roads pretty good. Now, I've already done a review of Rock Hill Road. Please watch the video. So once we've found what we're looking for, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go back to the Google Maps tab. And I'm going to find that road in Google Maps. The nice thing about them is our maps in the overlays look pretty similar. And we're just going to zoom in. We're going to find the location. And we're going to click on it to start a navigation point. See? Boom. Just went ahead and started a navigation point. So I know that I want to start my navigation here at Rock Hill Road. So let's go back to the Google Earth tab. And let's take a look at this road. Now, I want to make sure that this road doesn't have name changes. It doesn't have surprises that I'm unaware of. So let's go ahead and scroll in, and we notice that this road makes a left-hand turn. If you're not careful, you're going to end up on Harmony Road there. So I know to follow the road a little more to get to where I want to go. I want to find a westernly direction. So let's go up here, and we see that if we keep following the road, we're going to find Rhodes Road. Now, it's highlighted in yellow, so it's pretty easy to see. So now I can use the map visuals, you know, the overhead building pictures and things like that to help guide me along. And if we zoom in here, we're going to notice that this is a very similar corner, but the image of the home is identical, which helps us to find the location. So I'm going to right click here and boom, I've now created an A to B waypoint for Google Maps. All of that using Google Earth Pro. You see that? Now, the beauty of this is you can just go here, and if you want, you can send these directly to your phone, and off you're going to go. And it'll come to your phone, it'll populate on your phone, and you can just go ahead and do that. The whole purpose of this video is to show you the usage of Google Earth Pro with the overlays to give you the ability to see what you're looking for and to find twisty roads. We'll do a Google Maps video next because there are some things that are helpful there. Have a good day and thank you for watching.